everyone, this is Sharmin Khan again from Milkyway Art Design. So today I'm going to do another 12-inch by 12-inch. Again, on the back side I have taped it and primed it both sides, and on the top, as you can see, it's not very perfect, but I can make it work. So let's start with the base coat. To start with, I am pouring my base coat or pillow on my surface, and in this mixture I have Walmart's white interior, which is in satin finish, and with that I have mixed a tiny bit of GAC 800 and a little bit of Floetrol. So as you can see, my mixture is pretty thick, and as I am spreading, I'm making sure I have enough paint on my surface but not too much, because otherwise my patterns will spread out way more than I want it to spread. So the first color that I'm mixing, it's actually, you can see that I'm pouring it from a container, but it's actually Art Minds. The name of the paint is called Galactic. I'm using that. In the bottle it was a little too thick, so I poured it in a separate container, and I added some pouring medium with that to make it a little bit malleable or easier to use. So that's my first color that I'm using today. The second color that I'm using, that's my most favorite color, and I'm very upset that it's discontinued. This is basically Art Minds. The name of the color is called Mysterious, which is so pretty, and I don't know why did they discontinue it. It's so beautiful. So I'm using the Mysterious. Once I run out of this bottle, I don't know what to do to create that color. I have to do some research and figure out. The third color that I'm adding, it's also from Art's Mind, and this one is called Malibu. So all three colors are from Art Minds, and those are going to create my bloom. My gold is the mixture of Deco Art 24K gold, and I added a little bit of bronze from Deco Art, and those two colors are mixed together to create my bronzish gold. And I also added some pouring medium into that, and probably I added a tiny bit of water to loosen it up because they were really thick. So you will always see that I put some gold underneath my cell activator to give it a bling, and it looks very elegant, at the same time very blingy, which I really like. look at those sails from close up, the sails and the lacing, the combination of the two. They are so beautiful. They are so pretty. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'm so happy with the result. With the purples and the blues and the greens together, it's so gorgeous. Thank you so much for joining me and watching my videos. If you can, please subscribe my channel, and hope to see you more later on.